In the port of Miami, you can take a speedboat tour. It's pretty popular, and usually you have to book it beforehand or to wait for an hour or two. I also recommend to get to the boat a little bit earlier so that you could take better places. In this case, it's in the front of the boat. The Port of Miami is a major seaport located in Biscayne Bay at the mouth of Miami River. It's the largest passenger port in the world and one of the largest cargo ports in the United States. The port is located on Dodge, Lummus and Sam's Islands, which is the combination of three historic islands that have been combined into one. In the beginning of 20th century, government cut was dredged along with a new channel in downtown of Miami. This new access to the mainland created the main channel, which greatly improved the shipping access to the new port. Here you can see how containers are loaded on the ship. The improvement of Port Miami, shipping access and growth of South Florida community led to an expansion of the port. Since then, port was growing and expanding till nowadays, as it is the busiest cruise passenger port in the world. It accommodates major cruise line and also serves as the home port of one of the largest cruise ships in the world by gross tonnage, Symphony of the Seas. Over 5.5 cruise passengers pass through the port each year. As the cargo gateway of the Americas, the port primarily handles containerized cargo with a small amount of break bulk, vehicles and industrial equipment. It's the largest container port in the state of Florida and ninth in the United States. big part of the tour is the mentions of celebrities, but that part is not interesting for me. But later I will upload the full video so you could see all the houses and guess who is living there. Also let me know if you're interested in 360 full video. In general, this is a very interesting and nice experience. I totally enjoyed it and recommend it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you the next time.